Well, I've got to say, didn't know you had that in you back there. That was pretty impressive.
I know! I know. So, Flynn, where are you from?
Whoa, whoa, sorry, Blondie, I don't do backstory. However, I am becoming very interested in yours. Now, I know I'm not supposed to mention the hair.
Nope.
Or the mother. Frankly, I'm too scared to ask about the frog.
Chameleon?
Nuance. Here's my question, though. If you want to see the lanterns so badly, why haven't you gone before?
Well...
Wait, did you hear that?
I'm guessing that's not
Crap.
Flynn?
Uh-oh.
Flynn?
Oh, crap.
I'll kill you! You're gonna catch us! We're gonna dissect it!
You were saying?
Who's that?
They don't like me.
Stop right there, criminal scum!
They don't like me either.
Who's that?
Let's just assume for the moment that everyone in here doesn't like me.
Here.
I waited a long time for this.
Anywhere.
Oh, Mama, I have got to get me one of these.
Get
Take a sign before England becomes punch.
You should know that this is the strangest thing I've ever done. How about 2 out of 3?
See ya!
Flynn! Look out!
Incoming!
You should see your faces because you look ridiculous.
Wait, what is that?
Jump!
Hang on!
Hold on to your holster.
Every man for himself.
We're gonna make it!
This is our shot! Oh, biscuits.
Oh, that's bad.
Dangerous!
Oh, man.
It's no use. I can't see anything. Hey, there's no point. It's pitch black down there.
This is all my fault. She was right. I never should have done this. I'm so sorry, Flynn.
Eugene.
What?
My real name is Eugene Fitzherbert. Someone might as well know.
I have magic hair that glows when I sing.
What?
I have magic hair that glows when I sing. Flower gleam and glow, let your power shine. We made it.
Her hair glows.
We're alive. I'm alive.
I didn't see that coming.
Eugene?
The hair actually glows.
Eugene?
Why does her hair glow?
Eugene!
What?
It doesn't just glow.
Why is he smiling at me?